In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see OneView photos and videos again on WhatsApp. You can simply watch videos and photos that are sent in OneView on your WhatsApp in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On your settings page, tap on the option of account. Then select this option of request account info. You will then tap right here on request account data. As you can see, I already requested my account data. You will find all media and other information about your account in the file WhatsApp is going to send to you. It usually takes 2 to 3 days. When sent, make sure to download it immediately before it expires. When downloaded, in the section of media, you will see the OneView videos and photos. You can also download them to your gallery if you wish to. That's how easy it is to see OneView photos and videos again on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.